In this video, we are going to see the answers of 7th Standard Social Science Workbook under Term 1, Unit 2, Worksheet number 6, topic is landforms. First Roman letter, choose the correct answer. First question, the lake formed when the melted ice gets filled up with the silt is dash. Answer is option C, a tan lake. Second question, the processes by which the landscape is being continuously worn away are dash. Answer is option A, weathering and erosion. Third question, rock pedestal is also called a dash. Answer is option C, mushroom rock. Fourth question, a saltwater lake that is separated from the sea by sand or rock is called dash. Answer is option D, a lagoon. Fifth question, the wide part of a river at the place where it joins the sea is called dash. Answer is option B, a sea floor. Sixth question, linear rock deposits by glacier are called dash. Answer is option B, moraines. Seventh question, wider landform created by glacial erosion is called dash. Answer is option B, U-shaped valley. Eighth question, observe the picture and answer the questions that follow. First question, X, Y, Z in the picture given below are dash. ஸோ இந்த பிக்சரில் எக்ஸ் ஒய் இசட் வந்து எதை டெனோட் பண்ணுதுன்னு கேட்டிருக்காங்க. எக்ஸ் வந்து ரிவர் சோர்ஸ் அண்ட் ஒய் இஸ் ட்ரிபியூட்ரி அண்ட் இசட் இஸ் மவுத், ரிவர் மவுத். ஸோ இது ஆப்ஷனில் எங்கே மேட்ச் ஆகுதுன்னு பாருங்கள். ஆன்சர் இஸ் ஆப்ஷன் பி, சோர்ஸ், ட்ரிபியூட்ரி அண்ட் மவுத். செகண்ட் கொஸ்டின், complete the above given boxes with the courses of a river. இந்த பாக்ஸில் ரிவரோட கோர்சஸ் எல்லாம் எழுதுங்க. ஃபர்ஸ்ட் இஸ் அப்பர் கோர்ஸ், then second is middle course, then third is lower course. Second Roman letter, state whether the following statements are true or false. Ninth question, first one, plunge pool is a hollow feature at the base of a waterfall. Answer is true. Second question, the boundary of a coast is called coastline. Answer is true. Third question, river is an active agent of erosion and deposition in the desert. Answer is false. Fourth question, the raised banks are called lows. Answer is false. Fifth question, the landforms are a result of endogenic and exogenic process. Answer is true. Fifth Roman letter, define short answers, detailed answers. 10th question, read the following sentences and identify the landforms. First question, a small piece of land with water all around it dash. Answer is islands. Second question, a tall piece of land usually with steep sides. Answer is mountains. Then third one, flat open land. Answer is plains. Fourth one, an area of land that is higher than the land around it. Answer is plateau. Fifth question, a large water body of water. Answer is ocean. 11th question, observe the following picture and define them. First picture என்னன்னா பர்ச்சன்ஸ். அதில் டெஃபினிஷன் பாருங்கள். The crescent shaped sand dunes are called பர்ச்சன்ஸ். இந்த பிக்சர் சிர்க் டினோட் பண்ணுது. ஸோ சிர்க்கோட டெஃபினிஷன் எழுதிக்கோங்க. இட் இஸ் எ glacially eroded rock basin with a steep side wall and a steep head wall surrounding an armchair shaped depression. Then C, loess. Wind carries the grains of sand and deposited in large area called loess. Then D, moraines. Material carried by glaciers such as rock, big and small, sand and slit deposited. These deposit forms glacial moraines. 12th question, list out the landforms and water bodies from the picture given below. இந்த பிக்சர்லேருந்து landforms and water bodies செப்பரேட் பண்ணி எழுத சொல்லியிருக்காங்க. அந்த பிக்சர்லேருந்து landforms and water bodies இங்கே எழுதியிருக்கேன். landforms, mountains, volcano, plateau, plain, river valley, delta, peninsula, beach. Then water bodies, glacier, pond, lake, river, ocean, estuary, stream. Third Roman letter, observe the picture and answer the questions. 13th question, first one. The rivers which are joining to the main river are called dash. Answer is tributaries. Then second question, distributor forms dash system. Answer is delta. Third question, tributaries are running with dash. Answer is main trunk or main river. Fourth question, main river can be divided into dash. Answer is distributaries. Fourth Roman letter, fit the landforms appropriately. 14th question, இங்கே landforms shuffle பண்ணி கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. இந்த டேபிளில் இருக்க கரெக்டான காலம்ஸில் அதுக்கேற்ற landformஸை ஃபில் பண்ணுங்கள். Formed by river, plunge pool, meanders, Oxbow Lake, Inselberg, levees, delta and U-shaped valley. Then formed by glacier, Artis, Tan Lake, Cirque, Moraine. Then formed by wind, mushroom rock, loess, birchens, sand dunes. Then formed by sea, sea cave. Then sea stacks. Then beach, lagoon and sea cliff.